Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another video. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be organizing my closet. It is a disaster right now. So I recently just posted a bedroom vlog. It was just me setting up like my furniture, which were these shelves, my desk, and everything that I have inside my room right now. So if you guys want to go ahead and watch that, I will link it in the description box. But today I will be doing the fun part. I will be organizing everything in my closet, which I am so excited. I've been waiting for this moment. I will be doing a separate video on organizing these shelf units, like decorating and all that. So make sure you also stay tuned for that video if you like to watch home videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my messy closet looks like. So this is what my closet looks like right now. So I have this dresser here. I'm gonna try to fit it in there. I have a lot of mess here. My shoes are kind of organized up there, but I'm gonna organize them by like styles. I have my stuff here. I have all my bags thrown in there. All my accessories and stuff is just all over the place. So I need to organize all of this. And then back here too, this is kind of organized, but I have a lot of things all over the place, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna be organizing this closet. I cannot wait to be done. Also these drawers, I'm gonna be organizing all of these drawers. Like this one too, my pajamas. This one, I think it's already kind of organized. Yes, that's all my bikinis. But I'm actually gonna be putting in a different dresser in here. The dresser that I'm gonna be putting in here, it has 4 drawers. And then I'm gonna take this one out. And then these are the bookshelves that I have. I actually still need to put the top part. That's why this one looks shorter than this one, but I will be doing a separate video on building these bookshelves with me and also decorating them. I'm gonna go ahead and organize all of my jewelry, also declutter some of the items I don't use, as well as my clothes. I will be linking my Poshmark in my description box if you guys want to go ahead and shop my closet. I have a lot of new clothes, especially in all those bins. I have a lot of new clothes that I've never worn, or if I wore it, I only wore it once. I have some clothes in here. This is actually clean clothes. I need to go ahead and put it away. So then afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up all my dirty clothes and put it in my hamper. I just cleared out my closet, so I've already took out most of my accessories. I'm gonna go over these and get rid of the ones I don't want, and then I'm gonna also fix that up there. I did clear out this entire section, also the bottom. It was such a disaster. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the dresser that I have in here. So for now, I have it this way, but I did also put it that way. I wanted to maybe leave it the other way because I can still put like storage at the bottom. And I have these boxes that I had it here, and I'm thinking about putting them at the bottom, so I might switch this the other side. So far I have put all of my bras in here, and then I'm going to start putting some of my underwear. I have them on here. I'm going to go ahead and just start folding them and put them in color coordination. So I just finished folding all of my underwear. It doesn't look like so many now. I feel like I need to go buy new underwear now. I have a pile over there that I'm throwing away. I did color coordinate them, so I put them by colors. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them in these two organizers. So on this side, I'm putting all of my white, nude, grays, and black underwear. My drawers look so much better now. They're finally organized. So I went ahead and put these cubes in here, the organizers. I will link them down below. They're from Ikea. I put all of my short socks here, my longer socks here, my underwears here. I color coordinated all of them. And then I did put my bras on this drawer. So now I'm going to go ahead and organize the second drawer. I just sorted out all of my pajamas, so I put them all into sets, and now I'm going to start putting them in here. With the second drawer, I put all of my pajamas in here. So I love wearing fluffy socks. I have them all here. I have short sets, and then this is a one piece, and then that's pants and short set, the silk ones. And then here I just have tops and then bottoms. These are all pants. I do want to go ahead and buy more cuter pajamas, especially like the ones with the print, like these ones here. All of these are all from Primark. They are my favorite. They're only like $10 a set. But I do have one extra drawer, and I think I'm going to use the next drawer for pajamas as well, and extra bikinis. My bikinis are kind of already organized, but they are kind of all squished in here. I used to use this one for my cover-ups, but I'm going to just make this entire drawer just all bikinis. And then the next drawer, I'm going to do like cover-ups, scarves, and other random things that I have. The last drawer, I'm gonna just go ahead and put my scarf, my Disney ears, and then wraps, their head wraps. And I'm also gonna put like these clear containers and just put more random stuff that I have. But that is it with the drawers. This is the Milan dresser from Ikea. I will go ahead and link it down below, and I'm gonna end up putting it right back over here. I just put it here just so that I had more space to organize everything. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour. I did make some changes. So up here I have all of my shoes. I have extra boxes in case I do buy some new shoes. Here I have all of my tops. So it's all of like my tank tops, and then short sleeve, long sleeves, and it's also color coordinated. I have extra hangers there, and then right over here I have some extra handbags. I put these little bins again. I put some handbags here, my wallets, and in this little bin here I put my scarf, the only scarf that I own, and then also my head wraps. Here I have my hats, and then here I have like bucket hats. This one goes in here. So all of my bucket hats, and then regular hats, my Disney ear, and then here I have my shorts and skirts, denim pants, and then more pants right over here. Actually down here I have clothes that I need to sell. I will be putting it on Poshmark, and here I just have jackets, and then right over here I also have sweaters and jackets. Here I put my sweatpants, that's a two-piece set, These are workout sweaters, like the thin ones, and then biker shorts, short sets, legging sets, and then here is biker short sets, leggings, and then sports bras. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the dividers to divide everything, that way it doesn't get messy. Up here I just have 2 gym bags and then all my Pilates socks, headbands, and also gloves. And then I put all my 2-piece sets right here in the front, which I don't have that many. I am gonna be buying some clothes online, so I will be doing a lot of hauls. And then here I just have all of my dresses, and then I have 1 coat right over there. I ended up putting the dresser this way. So here's some extra decorations I'm going to be using for my room. And then here was all of my short socks, longer socks, underwears, bras. Going on to the second drawer, I have all of my fluffy socks, and then pajama 2-piece sets, 2-piece sets, 2-piece sets, shirts and tops. And then here I just have pants. And going on to the next drawer, I have all of my bikinis. These are the solid colors, prints, and cover-ups. And then in the bottom section, I don't have anything yet. So this is going to be just for extra storage in case I do get more bikinis, which I will be getting more, and also pajamas. So that is the end of today's video. I feel a lot better now that my closet is clean and organized. I did all my laundry. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I will be decorating my shelf units where I'm putting all my handbags, my high heels, and all of that. So with that being said, all the items will be linked in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.